Hello friends, I'm Reza. Hope you are doing fine and I'm also feeling great. The thing is, the main motto of this video content is solving the Rubik's Cube. Well, actually, I saw this Rubik's Cube when I was very 7 or 8 years old, but during that time I didn't try that much to solve it. I saw it many times through our school friends or seniors. They solve it within few seconds or few minutes, but that's not the point. I tried to figure it out one side only, and later on I tried many times, but I didn't able to fix it up. So later on, after so many years later, I saw again in internet, and as well in many places, that kids are even solving it. So I just figured out what to do. Like, why don't I try it again? And then I searched in YouTube and different tutorials to solve it. And then I found out few algorithms. And after I tried few times, I just solved it. So I will solve it today in front of you people. But I'm not challenging anyone. And I know very well there are so many experts in this world who can solve it within a short time, but that's not the purpose. The main purpose of my video is actually age is not a factor. So age doesn't matter. So you can try anytime to solve anything if you are positive minded. So this content will be dedicated to our Facebook group called Life Starts at 40. So I believe life really starts at 40. At the age of 47, I tried it and solved it within a few months. So let's try it and let's solve it in front of you. If I can do it, you can also do it. So keep in touch. Thank you. So it's being solved, and you can even you can also solve it as well. So be positive, stay with us, and you can share if you start anything to learn or to solve anything, and you can show us and keep in touch with us to our channel and to our Facebook group as well. I will give all the links in my description below. Okay, thank you. Keep it up. Bye bye.